Welcome to another insightful video on business systems analysis. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 5 skills every business systems analyst needs in 2025. These skills are essential for success and will help you stand out in this ever-evolving role. Let's get started. First up, we have communication and collaboration skills. As a business systems analyst, you're the bridge between stakeholders, technical teams, and business units. You need to communicate effectively, whether it's understanding requirements, explaining technical details to non-technical audiences, or facilitating meetings. Collaboration is key because you'll often work in cross-functional teams to deliver successful projects. Next, we have analytical thinking and problem-solving. BSAs are known for their ability to break down complex problems into manageable solutions. You'll need to analyze business processes, identify inefficiencies, and propose solutions that align with organizational goals. Critical thinking is your superpower, helping you make data-driven decisions and prioritize effectively. The third essential skill is technical knowledge. While you don't need to be a full-fledged developer, having a solid understanding of tools and technologies is crucial. Familiarity with databases, business intelligence tools, and enterprise applications like CRM or ERP systems will make your job much easier. Learning about modern methodologies like Agile and understanding system design can also give you an edge. Number 4 is project management and organization skills. As a BSA, you'll often juggle multiple responsibilities, from gathering requirements to ensuring timely project delivery. Staying organized is crucial to managing deadlines and resources effectively. Understanding project management principles, such as risk assessment and task prioritization, can help you excel in this role. Last but not least, we have adaptability and continuous learning. The world of technology and business is constantly changing, and BSAs must keep up. Be ready to adapt to new tools, processes, and market trends. Investing in your professional development through certifications, courses, or workshops will ensure you stay competitive in the industry. And there you have it, the top 5 skills every business systems analyst needs in 2024. Which of these skills do you think is the most important for BSAs? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.